about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Good morning. It's 4:30. Oh, 4:30 a.m. and I'm slipping and sliding on my way to work. Look at how snowy. Like, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't eat shit. Okay, so I have the fried rice with the chicken, and then I have the coconut caramel cookie. I warmed that up for a little bit. And it's 4:57, and I'm eating now. Really good. I might eat half of this and then eat the other half a little bit later. So, I'm working out. Sometimes when my knees are bothering me during my runs, I'll do this. I should do it more often in my workout, but yeah. Oh, my enemy and my friend, man. Wow. Okay, after my workout, I'm having some chicken tacos. This is the shredded chicken I made last night, so pretty much what I had yesterday. This is only 2 cutlets, and then I just put some cheese, and then some sour cream, and then some tomatillo sauce. All right, so I'm gonna eat the rest of this toffee. It looks horrible right now, but I'm gonna eat the rest of this one. A lot of cookies, but I need to get them gone. All right, I'm gonna finish this. This is my last. Fox, what are you eating? Stop, dog. You need to stop scaring me here, for real. You can't eat chocolate. You're scaring me. I gotta go, guys. Back in my normal spot, uploading the video. It is currently 5:33, and I'm gonna be so honest. I did have one more cookie. After this uploads, I'm gonna make dinner, and I'm gonna make turkey stuffed potatoes. I know that sounds weird, but I'm using what I got. So yeah, all right. So then after this, I'll go. I have 59 more minutes left, so I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna get the potatoes. We just have 3. Honestly, I feel like this is like good for 2 meals, to be honest, if you cut it in half. Anyway, let's get these 2, wash these bad boys, and get them in foil. Okay, so I was going to put some veggies in here, but I think I'm just gonna actually do this like taco style, like a taco potato instead, right? So then you can put sour cream, cheese, and tomatillo sauce, and that way it's a little bit more versatile. And if I want to add vegetables to it, like for the second one, if I just want to cook up some vegetables and eat it that way, then it's good. Because otherwise, I feel like I'd have to have like some type of dill dressing, and I'm not making a dill dressing tonight.
RIP the spatula.
So I made a mistake, okay? I didn't time the turkey well with the potatoes, so the potatoes are not quite done yet, but they're almost done. And then the turkey is now completely done. So I'm waiting for the potatoes to finish. I've already opened that up, and so they can like crisp on the top. And then, yeah, they're probably not gonna crisp on the top, but I think it'll be done around like 8:30. Fucking, okay. I'll just eat the rest of this tonight. I don't know what I did wrong, but that potato would not cook. That potato would not cook, and I don't know what I did wrong. But it cooked and whatever. So I packed that for my lunch tomorrow, and that's all for tonight. It is literally 9:08. I'm going to suffer tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be a soft day, and it might be an Uber day because my eyes are heavy. And I'm going to eat this little bit before I go to bed. You don't need to see me eat it. And that is it. I'm exhausted. I'm going to go eat, then go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please comment down below how long it takes you to make a potato wrapped in tin foil in the oven. Because I'm confusion. It was on 450 for an hour. And then I had to still put in the air fryer for a total of 26 minutes. Mind-blowing. For 400, mind you. I don't know. Please someone let me know. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye. Good night.